what's up, y'all?
Welcome back to our channel.
It's DXA.
And we are still in Mexico.
Yes, we are.
And today we're going to be showing you where we've been living.
If you guys like our videos so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button. If you don't like it, hit that dislike button twice.
There's no dislike button.
So we've been here about a week now. So we just wanted to give our feedback on where we've been staying and how we like it so far.
When we first arrived, you come in, right? There's a security guard entrance, you know, they let you in, then you go upstairs. We're on the first floor.
Yes, so we are on the first floor.
The elevators don't work.
Yeah, that kind of sucks.
If you any higher, you gotta walk up those stairs, and then you enter into the apartment, and there's like a hallway. After you walk in, there's the hallway, beautiful paintings, beautiful flooring, and then on the left-hand side is 3 doors. So the first door is gonna be our bedroom door. The second door is the bathroom door. And the third door is the washer dryer room. So the first door, enter into the bedroom. Tell us about the bedroom.
The bedroom has a king-size bed, so it's
huge.
Yeah, it's really big, and then it also has like a nice desk where we can work. So that's where we've been working, you know, editing videos, things like that. Yeah,
it has 2 nightstands. They're really small. Everything is kind of like small.
Yeah, that's one thing I noticed. In the pictures, it looked way bigger.
But it's really small because he's 6'2". Yeah. And the nightstands don't even reach his knees.
Yeah, they're pretty low. So the place is big, but like the height of it.
The height of everything is really
the height of it definitely was like, oh, okay.
We have the desk in the room. The closet space is amazing. There is a safe in the room, and there is like a dresser almost next to the closet. Everything is pretty modern, you know. We like it. Everything, all the finishes are pretty modern. And then there's 2 entrances to the bathroom. So there's an entrance from the bedroom, and then there's an entrance from the hallway. So that's the second door in the hallway.
Yeah.
When you go into the bathroom, through the bedroom, pretty standard stuff, the shower, the toilet, the sink. The water pressure is great.
Definitely great, yes.
Yeah, the water pressure is amazing. We have been having some water issues.
That's true.
These last 3 days. But for the most part, if the water does go out, it's not all day, it's just for a couple of hours.
Yeah.
And then next to the bathroom, the third door is the washing room. So you have the boiler in there, and then you have the washer. It's not a dryer. I thought it was a dryer, but it's not a dryer. We've actually been drying stuff out on the balcony, on the little on a rack.
The kitchen is really nice. It has a stainless steel appliances. It also has a dishwasher, because you know she don't really like to wash dishes, so.
I don't.
I'm just playing. It's a very good sized kitchen. Like, we love to cook.
We've cooked breakfast
every day.
Yeah, we've cooked practically every day.
Yeah, every day we definitely cook every morning. So that way we are not just always eating out. Although, you know me, I've been eating out.
I told him yesterday was his last day eating out. We do work out here as well because it's so spacious. You can see the balcony outside. It's very well lit. Like, this is where we're sitting. We're sitting in the living room right next to the kitchen. In the kitchen, we have like a jug of water that they gave to us because you can't drink the water from the pipe. And typically when we travel, we would boil water and drink it, but they already provided a jug of water, so that's one thing that was a plus here. And the kitchen is well stocked. Like, when I say they have knives, forks, knives, pots.
It has everything. We even went out, like you were just about to say, we went to go buy some spices because we thought there weren't any. Here, we just didn't look at all of the drawers.
Yeah, there was
the one drawer we didn't look, that's where everything was.
Yeah.
So we haven't really used the TV. It is nice, it works. It does have Netflix, YouTube, so it's like a smart TV. But we don't watch TV a lot. I mean, even the size, I'm okay with the size. It is small.
It's far. Like,
it is far away. But even when we watched it for a little bit, you can still watch TV comfortably. But it's just we don't really watch TV like that.
Yeah, we're not big TV people anyway, so.
The Wi-Fi here is great. It's really, really good. That was something important to us when we were picking a place. We wanted to make sure the Wi-Fi was good, so I definitely reached out ahead of time to the Airbnb, and it gives 50 to 60 megabits per second. So that's really good for us. Reliable internet. It's not as fast in the room. That is to be expected. The Wi-Fi router is out here in the living room, so that's why we tend to work out here, because of the natural lighting. Feels spacious.
So the balcony, I love the balcony. I actually work out there a lot. It can get really hot outside, but for the most part, the balcony is shaded, so it stays a little bit cooler than it is when the sun is like scorching. There is a grill out there and a table that seats 4.
Yes.
So that's pretty awesome. We have breakfast out there sometimes.
We definitely had breakfast out there a couple of times.
And they have like a little table out there too, so you can put food out there, like rested on the second table, you know.
Yeah, it's really nice. The view is okay. They're doing construction across the street. So, I mean, and we are on the first floor. I feel like if you are higher up, you get more of a view
of the city.
But that's okay. We don't mind that. We still like the fact that we have fresh air. We can look outside. Yeah. The natural light that comes in is really nice. This place is a very good location, prime location. That's why we love it. It's very close to 5th Avenue, which is one of the main areas here in Playa del Carmen, where it has a lot of restaurants and is a very touristic place.
Yeah.
It's a very central location to walk to different restaurants and different attractions.
Now, one of the things about this Airbnb that made us choose this Airbnb was the 2 pool option. So there's a pool right at the entrance when you come into the building. After you pass security, there's a pool. And then there's a rooftop pool. It also has a gym. The unfortunate thing though is the rooftop pool is not being utilized. It looks like it's dirty.
It's abandoned.
It's abandoned.
Yeah, they haven't been using it, and I don't know why. I really don't know why. We haven't asked yet. I think you should ask. I'm gonna ask. One of the things like that sold us. Like who wouldn't want to have a rooftop pool? And it's crazy because across the street there's another building, and we see people every day all the time
on their
on the
rooftop pool.
They just chilling and swimming. They chilling. And it's really nice on the rooftop. Yeah. I went up there. I flew the drone up there. It's super nice up there. And the ad literally says rooftop pool apartment. Yeah. So that's like, come on, that's your selling point. Yeah. How can it be so dirty? For real. Like, so that's the only thing that is just like, that's kind of unfortunate. But overall, you can't beat the space for the price. And the fact that it has the washer, you know, that was a selling point for us. That we don't have to go out to the launderia. Yeah, see. And aside from the rooftop pool not working, the pool downstairs. Continue en español. Español, un poquito español. Yeah, the one time we've been to the pool, it was just us, which is great because it's still Corona. Yeah, definitely still coronavirus. So want to be safe. Yes. Let us know what you guys think about this. Would you stay at this place? We'll also link the Airbnb if you want to check it out. Again, right now the time that we're visiting is a very good time. It's right before the high season, which is December, January. So it's typically going to be more expensive than what we got it at. But still, overall, for the prime location, the space, what you're getting, it's still worth the deal. We forgot to mention one thing. What? Electricity. Oh yeah, that is one thing as well. One thing about it here, you do have to pay for your electricity, which was kind of almost a turn off. We almost didn't book the place, but because of the space and overall, I was looking into other places in Playa del Carmen. It's the trend. A lot of the places you have to pay for the electricity. Now it's not a lot. And it's not. Ours is 4 pesos per kilowatt. So. Yeah. So it's not a lot, and because the place typically is cool, you don't have to put on the AC. Yeah, we don't leave the AC running, and it's central air, so the place gets cool really quick. Really quick. Yeah. We'll definitely let you know how much we ended up paying for electricity at the end of our stay, so that way you're aware based on a average per day. Let us know what you guys think. Drop some comments down below. Would you stay here? like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And share, guys. Share these videos. We can't wait for you guys to, you know, see everywhere that we're going to be going. Also, turn your post notifications on so you get an alert
every single time we upload a video.